How to take the first n items from a generator or list. With LINQ I would. How to do this with Python.
Slicing a list. To slice a list, there's a simple syntax: array start column stop column step. You can omit any parameter. These are all valid: array start column, array column stop, array column column step. Slicing a generator. You can't slice a generator directly in Python. itertools.ilis will wrap an object in a new slicing generator using the syntax itertools.ilis generator start stop step. Remember, slicing a generator will exhaust it partially. If you want to keep the entire generator intact, perhaps turn it into a tuple or list first, like result equals tuple generator.
In my taste, it's also very concise to combine zip with range n or range n in Python 3, which works nice on generators as well and seems to be more flexible for changes in general.
The answer for how to do this can be found here. Notice that the last call asks for the next foo and only 2 are remaining. The use of the list, instead of, is what gets the comprehension to terminate on the stop iteration exception that is thrown by next.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.